With the Bose skill for Amazon Alexa, you can now play your favorite music on your Bose SoundTouch speakers with just your voice. Let's get started by opening the SoundTouch app. Your SoundTouch systems search for updates automatically every time you open the app. Click Update Now if an update is available. For the best results, we recommend naming your speakers with something easily understood by Alexa, such as the room they're located in. Try to avoid names that contain numbers and special characters. Okay, now let's download the Amazon Alexa app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and then sign in with your Amazon account. Tap the menu bar and select Skills. Next, tap the search bar and type in Bose. Select the Bose skill from the search results and then tap Enable. Now sign in with your SoundTouch account. You can tap Done once you see this message. Before your SoundTouch systems can be used with Alexa, they need to be discovered. Tap Discover Devices to begin the scan. Once finished, you will be presented with a grid of your SoundTouch systems, which Alexa refers to as smart home devices. If you wish to add additional SoundTouch systems, you'll need to perform another scan. To do so, tap the menu and navigate back to Smart Home. Tap Add Device and Alexa will begin a new scan. Okay, now let's link the music services we'd like to use with Alexa and your SoundTouch systems. Tap the menu bar, select Settings, and then choose Music and Media. In order to play music using Alexa, you'll need to link one or more of these supported services. Tap the desired music service and sign in with your account. Repeat these steps to link any additional music services. You're now set up and ready to use Alexa with your SoundTouch systems. Just remember to use the name you gave your SoundTouch speaker in the SoundTouch app. For example, Alexa, play a jazz station in the kitchen.
Getting smooth jazz station from iHeartRadio.
Please note that when Alexa is listening, she will temporarily mute every SoundTouch speaker on your account. Alexa, play a classic rock station in the bedroom.
Getting your classic rock station from Pandora.
Once music is playing, you can continue to control the experience with your voice. Alexa, skip the track in the bedroom. Alexa, turn up the volume in the kitchen. Alexa, what's playing in the living room?
This is Wish I Knew You by the Revivalists playing on Living Room.
For even more control of SoundTouch specific functions, check out our video on the Bose SoundTouch control skill.
And for help with anything else, visit our website.